I'm Nathalia, and I work at a think tank where we reimagine governance for the 21st century.
And I'm Ben, and I'm the author of the book, Oh My God, What the Fuck Does the Constitution Actually Say?
This course will help show you how to use your citizen power to reshape the society that we want to live in.
This is a very digestible course broken up over 10 lessons. You're about to be an expert on the Constitution. Get ready.
We show you some real tangible things that you can do to reclaim this power and to participate in democracy and to learn kind of how it all fits together.
By the end of this course, you're going to have your own org chart with you at the top as the CEO and the head of the company, aka the government.
We're actually showing how this relates to your real life, to all of our lives.
This course will teach you how to take your outrage, use these tools, and turn it into actual policy change. Community is leverage. A lot of people speaking out together is what creates change.
This is a reminder that we're in charge, and we want to empower everyone to participate in our democracy because that's the only way that it's going to work.
Because you actually dictate this entire process. I'm Ben Sheehan.
I'm Nathalia Ramos.
And this is
Citizen Power.